with Nags. In this video, I'm going to talk about most widely used DAX functions. This is very special topic to me because like in DAX we have 250 plus functions, and knowing each and everything it will be very difficult. And also, when people started learning Power BI, they stuck somewhere in Power BI because they don't know DAX. So to bridge this gap, I have come up with a certain list of DAX functions. Say I hope it is having a 40 DAX functions. Once you learn this, you will able to solve almost 70 to 80 percentage of your business needs, because most of the business needs will be simple. Only 20 to 30 percentage of the business requirements will be little complex. In order to solve that, if you know these basic or fundamental DAX functions, then you can able to write any complex DAX. That is where I come up with this list. And if you find any DAX functions I have missed out, that will be widely used in your industry, because this is globally used or in different industries, any industries. But in specific industries, some DAX functions to be used based on the data. Okay, if I miss, just mention it in comments. With this note, let us begin our today's video. And before going to it, if you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for notification. First, we'll start with aggregation function. So sum X universal. So DAX starts with aggregations, right? I mean, the fundamentals of this Power BI is to see the data in aggregation manner. For that, you use aggregation functions. So sum X, average, min X, max X, then count and distinct count. Then there comes the filter functions, like calculate and filter. These two are magical, which will change your the way the Power BI works. So just familiar with these two functions: all except, keep filters, remove filters, lookup. So let me pass here. So these are the core and fundamental functions you need to understand in DAX, right? If you find very difficult in DAX, so familiar with these things, then slowly you can move to other DAX functions that I'm going to cover. So these are core fundamentals. Then there comes the time intelligence functions: total YTD, QTD, MTD, date add functions. Then some of the date time functions as well: first date, last date, year of, month of, day of, today, and end of month. So these are other functions you need to be familiar with. Then relationship and others: related table user relationship is blank, has one value, username. This will be useful when who is logging in and for creating row level security. So here I want to mention some point, like, so once you know this, you don't need to know other functions. No, I'm not saying that. So you see, like, username is a function, then something like the username will give you like email dot your domain name, but user principal name gives you different data, right? So you can able to correlate it easily. So that is why I'm saying these gives you a fundamentals or foundation, and from there on you can learn any other functions. So summarize and group by, treat as, and rank X. So these functions, once you combine all these two screenshots, the first slide and second slide, which will comes to 40 DAX functions, and this will, once you know these things, you can be in a position to handle almost business scenarios. Only some of the scenarios, some complex scenarios, require some more DAX functions like switch or some other things, because and I have derived it based on different mediums I have gone through, like community.powerbi.com or Telegram group or whatever request comes to me. So based on this, I have derived this list. So hope you will agree it. And if I miss some of the DAX functions that you commonly use, just put it in the comments section so that other peoples can learn it. I hope you like this video. Hit the thumbs up button and comment below for queries. Do remember that data is your asset.